What's up guys, welcome to today's video. Today we're gonna show you how to fabricate an awesome stainless steel garden door. Let's jump straight into the 3D engineering. We designed the whole project in 3D to avoid any complications during the fabrication process. From previous projects we have seen that the detailed design will pay off always. Here we can see the whole project. The left frame will be concreted into the floor, and the very right pillar will be bolted to the wall. The door can be opened to the inside of the garden. The frame and the door will be covered with wooden planks. We also measured the hinges and created them in 3D. The most complicated part on the project, I guess, is the design and fabrication of the door lock. I just put on a C-clamp to avoid that the remaining piece is falling down. The 45-degree cuts came out just perfect. In fairness, I have to say, I made a few dry cuts to calibrate the machine to the exact angle. To have the exact same length on the tubes, I laid them on top of each other and aligned them exactly. Because only with measuring and marking there's always a deviation of around 1 to 2 millimeters. There is not much burr on the edges, so that will come off easily with a file. But anyway, there shouldn't be too much material removed as I need it for the welding later on. That's why I used a file instead of a grinder. To the burr, the tubing on the inside wouldn't be necessary, but the cleaning with acetone later on is a lot smoother without burr. The carbide hole saw is just a perfect tool for big holes into tubing. The cutout for the striker plate I decided to do by grinder, as it is a lot faster than milling the slotted hole. That frame section, I guess, was the most difficult one to fabricate, because there are a lot of measurements and holes to consider. I designed the blueprints according to my needs, so I used an ordinate system to quickly adjust the milling machine according to my measurements. I only need to measure the 150 millimeters from the right edge, then zero the x-axis on the machine and go from there. Just quickly check if the door lock fits. For the welding process, we do want all parts clean and deburred. On the laser cutted parts was a bit of a burr on the edges left, which could be easily removed with a file. All parts are clean and deburred, so we are ready for welding and assembly, which we're gonna show you in the next video.